Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your chess.com account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to chess.com. Now once we're here, we want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on that support button on the bottom left hand corner of this page. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on contact support. And now from here, you want to go ahead and click on get started. You're gonna be speaking to an AI agent from here. So it will say the fastest way to find article is to search our help article. So basically type in recover chess.com account. And now if they don't help you here, go ahead and click on get more help. Then again, type in recover chess.com account. And now just simply go through the process of recovering your account. Another way what we can do is to go to support.chess.com. Now once we're here, we want to go ahead and click on that contact us tab at the top of the page.